morning.
Good morning.
How are you guys doing?
Good.
All right. I'm gonna start making this. It's not even symmetric, sorry. Oh, this is so good. So, do you have any idea what we're going to learn today?
Shapes.
Good. Yeah, today we're going to learn about shapes. So, does anyone knows what is this? What's the name for this picture?
Cube.
Cube. Good. It's a cube. What about this one?
Triangle.
Triangle. Good. This?
Circle.
Circle. And what is this one? Rectangle. Good job, you guys. Okay, so I want you guys to make your own shapes. What do you guys know? Making like that is okay. So we'll give you paper. You can write it down. You don't have to make the shape. You can write down all the shapes that you already know, the names of the shapes that you already know. And then we will do activity after that. Okay?
So we can include those kind of shapes?
Yeah, you can include these shapes.
Okay.
And I will give you 3 minutes to write that down.
Wow, all shapes.
You want us to leave out those ones?
You can include this one as well.
Oh, write down the shape.
Yeah, this one is okay. This is good. It's
Yeah.
okay. That one is good. So. All right, are you guys ready? Name one, the new shapes that you write outside of these 4. Nothing?
Star shape.
Star shape, yes, that's good. Tina?
An oval.
An oval, yeah.
A trapezoid.
Trapezoid, yes, right. So, why it is important for us to be able to analyze or identify shapes?
Because there are shapes everywhere.
Mm-hmm. Well, why do you think in math we are learning to identify shapes? What's the benefit for us to identify them, to be able to identify the shapes, the different kind of shapes?
Because every shape has different kind of like percentage.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's for calculation. So each shapes has a different calculation in math. And right now I want you to remember when you're at home, did you recognize some of the shapes over there? Like for example, table for rectangle, and maybe a cup the top of the cup is the circle. So basically you guys already recognize or already know a little bit about all kinds of shapes without you knowing it, without you realizing it. So right now I'm going to ask you guys to do a little bit of activity, moving activity. So I'm going to say 3 different kind of shapes, or 4, and then you have to look for the shapes here around the classes. So if I, for example, if I say circle, so I will just going to grab this one. And if I say rectangle, I'm going to grab this one. Is that understood? Okay.
So you have to move around, or
Yes,
you
you
just
have
point to it?
No, you have to move around. Okay. So okay. So we can start now.
So race. Make sure you don't run after me.
All right.
I'm so gonna run after you.
Let's get circle.
A circle.
A circle. Okay, right here. A circle. You can point out or. Good. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Right. What about triangle here?
Oh.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Right here.
Yeah. That's good. Triangle. Oh, I found one. You found one?
Yeah.
Actually, there is one here. Yep. Yep. That's the one. This box over there,
Oh,
right?
I'm fancy. I made one.
Yeah. And then now is the easy one is rectangle. Ta-da! Good. Good job. You guys doing a good job. Thank you. So you guys can sit down again.
You just stayed over there.
Okay, so have you ever think that using all different kind of shapes also can help you to make an art? So the next activity that I will give you, I want you guys to use all of these shapes, and I want you to make a giraffe.
A giraffe.
A giraffe, yes. So this would be like the background here, and then this is, you're going to make a giraffe, and then this is the tips, and then you guys can work together, and I give you another 5 minutes to do it. Okay? So here's
A giraffe.
a giraffe, yes.
Using these.
Using this one. So maybe this could be the body, and you know, these are different shapes here. Okay?
Okay. A giraffe has a long neck.
Yes. And
And a
also
tail.
tall legs. Blue color thing, maybe?
Yeah.
And you can combine all the color.
I can do like one.
Yeah.
See, there's these bugs.
Everywhere.
Yeah, I
Everywhere.
know.
It's like all over me.
Okay. Do you want to do like some? Okay, whatever you guys do.
You want this one to be the same?
Sure.
And it has. Yeah, that's a good head.
What about this for the head?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Can I do this one?
So this one is the tail. Good.
And these can be the spots.
Yes.
The eyes.
Okay, so you can use this to put everything here.
What else? There's a star. Are these eyes?
Yeah. And nose and mouth.
Oh, man.
Blue all the bottom.
Yes,
Here.
it needs to have a smile.
Haha.
And
Yeah, you have to include everything
Okay.
Can you put
here.
things in the background?
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Oops. I got my stuff. Oh, star. Let's have it be night. Or it's the sun. Should we do more circles?
Yeah.
It's a star or a sun.
It has to be a long time. And
Just maybe you can have 3 legs instead of 4 or 2.
Okay.
Put one here.
and now
How about we make this another leg?
The other leg is
that would be okay. Oh, this one is
Oh,
long
that
enough.
longer.
Okay, so you guys done?
And somewhere around here.
Yeah. And this is going to be the tree that he's going to eat.
Okay, that's wood, right? Yeah.
Branch.
All right,
Yes.
so good job. So right now, I want one of you to come up in the front and explain to me the name of the shape that you put here. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
What?
Do you want me to hold it for you?
Oh,
Sure.
this is impressive. Do you see this? Good job.
Wow.
Do you want me to hold it for you? Oh, you can use this. There you go. There you go.
Okay, so this is our giraffe. We used a circle for its body, and for his legs we used rectangles, and for his spots we used circles and one triangle. His tail is a combination of 2 triangles, and this star shape is a star and or sun, and this is a branch, and 2 circles for his eyes, a square for his nose, and a triangle for his mouth.
That's good. So now that you're able to identify all of the name of the shapes, you learning about the differences of the shapes itself. So my question for you guys is how the shapes is going to help us when we're doing the calculation.
Each shape has a different equation.
Shapes has a different equation,
Because they're
yes.
different sizes, and some have sides, and some don't have sides, really like the circle. So you have to measure it a different way.
Good job. What about, so do you think is the circle has a different equation and the triangle has a different equation?
Yeah, to find out how big.
Why is that?
Because their sizes are different in proportion to each other. If that makes sense. I don't know if that's what it is.
All right, well, all your answers are correct, and I want you right now to, I will give you another paper, and so right now I want you to give me an answer. If I combine these 2 triangles, what is going to be? What shape is going to be made from these 2 triangles? From these 2 triangles?
A square.
A square. Yeah.
Yeah.
What about if I divided this into a half? What is going to be the circle? If I divided the circle into a half, what do you call?
A semicircle.
Semicircle, correct. What about the cubes? No, the cubes.
The square.
Rectangle.
Which one?
The cube.
Cube one.
Which way are you dividing it
That's actually a trick question. So for the cubes, actually, you cannot. It's only for one way. That would be for triangle.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Okay. So I think you guys already identify and know and able to analyze different shapes. So we will talk more about geometry and shapes for the next meeting, and I will give you assignment for making another art using shapes, different shapes for next week too, and bring it to class. So that's the lesson for today. Thank you.
Thank you.